Horses out, breaking alertly. I Love Magic is Spanish Coin. Alongside Going Time, moving up on the outside, racing eagerly is Dresicata. Then followed by Inherent. Alongside comes number 14, that's Mondestora. Into the turn they gallop is Spanish Coin by Oralenka. Going Time in second. Alongside third, Inherent. I Love Magic in fourth. Dresicat is racing in fifth. Mondestora in 6, Bianca's Fantasia, Rain Shower, Señorita, Hoy, Makati, Never Say No, Joe, Red Soldier, Marnelli, and trails the field is Titanica. Back to the leader, and still number 3, Spanish Coin by Oralenka. Then here comes Dresicat now trying to get closer on the outside second. And in third, moving up, Going Time. Then followed over by number 10, Inherent. Is Spanish Coin still in front by Oralenka. Moving up, Dresicat. Going Time is down on the inside. Then followed by Inherent. As they come down at the last 200. Is Spanish Coin moving up. Going Time. Dresicat is on the outside. Rain Shower. Bianca's Fantasia. It's now Going Time. Rain Shower moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Rain Shower followed by Going Time and finally Rain Shower. Going Time, then comes close Bianca's Fantasy, Dresicat.